There's a line in a song that goes, "Every tool is a weapon if you hold it right," and that goes double when your smartphone case has an extra edge, like, say, a stun gun. This makes quite the impression. It isn't unique. Either iPhone cases have been weaponized in multiple ways, gaining everything from DIY studs to a pistol-shaped pepper spray add-ons. There's even an armored iPhone case that will stop .50 caliber bullets, which is probably realistic, only if you're the professional Russian. Just for funsies, I spent some time with 3 standouts: the brass knuckle-shaped nuclear case, the smart gun pepper spray case, and the yellow jacket stun gun case. Further reading: the best surge protectors for your costly electronics. I'm sure you have questions already. Don't worry, the legal aspects of each product are outlined below, as well as what they were like to use for a week, and whether they're worth their respective prices. The nuclear case isn't so much a weapon as it is a tool, the ultimate tool for securing phone to hand, goes the tagline. Popping this case on is essentially like adding a handle to your phone. Imagine for a moment how convenient that is. You can pick up your phone with a crooked finger. You can loop it to a variety of buckles and loops on backpacks and clothing. You also never feel like your phone isn't firmly in your grasp. It's never in danger of slipping from your grip. I spent a few solid minutes shaking the encased phone, and although it began to slip a bit, shaking the phone out of the case would take a serious amount of force.